So next thing to do is to get your brew, your wash once it's been set right, you got the right setting. You end up putting that in your still. What you want to do is turn the still on and get the temperature up to until it says 65 degrees. As soon as it says 65, quickly turn your water on. It will go down a wee bit. I mean, you could even wait till 75 degrees. Turn your water on and have your water so it's just flowing out. You don't want the water coming out boiling hot, but you don't want it frozen cold either, just sort of lukewarm water coming out. This temperature should then sit roughly around 78 to 82, depending on your atmospheric temperature and how cold your water is actually coming through. So 78 degrees, distilling it, that's perfect. 78, 80 degrees. And then of course you have it coming out here. At first you have it pouring out quite a bit. Of course these quicker brews you don't have it pouring quite as much, but if you're doing a 7-day brew they'll just be pouring like a tap. But anyway, so we'll get about 3 litres of 80% over the course of the next 4 hours. Now if you have trouble with it over boiling and it's overflowing out the edges, what you want to do is just chuck in a couple of your marbles inside there and it'll stop it doing that. Another thing, if you find that you're doing your alcohol here, it doesn't matter what still you've got really, as long as if they're all similar with the spout. If you find you're actually getting taste of the wash in your spirits, what you need to do is in the spout here, put the mesh thing at the bottom and you need to fill this up with marbles. The flat marbles are better. The better ones for it, those fish tank marbles. And then if you want to, you can also put a copper or stainless steel mesh in the top of the cylinder as well. That'll just help get rid of any odours. But the marbles will keep the pressure down, so you're only getting the top quality alcohol coming through. You won't get near the wash, just alcohol only. Highly flammable, so remember don't light a match around these fumes. And best of luck with your brewing. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, so that way you can, more people that subscribe, the more the video gets pumped up to be able to help other people. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.